Breaking news coming in right there as opposition in Bihar is questioning the counting procedure. DMK's M.K. Stalin has said, and I quote, "The kind of irregularities reported from Bihar is very shocking. Only an election which is not influenced and free and fair can give a good democratic future for the country," unquote. Of course, remember, this is all coming in the light of assembly polls scheduled for next year in Tamil Nadu. Akshaya is breaking the story first here on India Today. Akshaya, somewhere M.K. Stalin going on to set the net for the assembly polls that are scheduled for next year in Tamil Nadu by riding on the fact that the opposition is now in Bihar questioning the counting procedure.
Well, yes, JT, what we're seeing here today is that M.K. Stalin not only congratulated Nitish Kumar and Tejasvi Yadav, he also went on to say that a free and fair election is what determines a democratic setup, and the irregularities that were pointed out in Bihar is something very shocking, is what the DMK chief has said. We have to remember that in 2021, Tamil Nadu State Assembly polls will also be conducted, and DMK is one of the strong contenders here. In fact, during the Lok Sabha elections, we've seen how the DMK had swept the polls. And they're expecting to do the same in the state assembly polls as well. And this time around, a point which is being highlighted by M.K. Stalin about irregularities being reflected is only indicative of his thought process ahead of the 2021 elections. Apart from that, we need to remember that he's also congratulated Nitish Kumar, he's criticized the Mahagathbandhan, and also congratulated Tejasvi Yadav to have pulled that kind of a victory for an individual party. So, Stalin is trying to put the DMK...
That's right. It looks like the DMK is laying the net for the future ahead of the Tamil Nadu Assembly polls next year, questioning the EVM process, the counting process as well. We're going to leave it at that. Akshay, thanks for joining us with the very latest details on that first up reaction that is coming in from the DMK.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.